This is our 1985 Tayana 52, an offshore sailing machine designed by Bob Perry. She is powerful, robustly built, and designed for both safety and comfort. Her rig, hull design, and accommodations are ideal for long-distance sailing. In 2001, she completed a circumnavigation. The long, modified fin keel and skeg-hung rudder have proven to be the ideal for blue water sailing and remote gunk-holing. Lookfar has all the comforts of home with plenty of space to entertain a crowd, a well-appointed galley, excellent sea berths, 3 private cabins, and 2 heads with showers. The cockpit is spacious with teak accents throughout and a recently refurbished teak sole, and it has cockpit cushions for comfortable lounging. The large steering wheel is a beautiful combination of stainless steel and teak, and the helm features a Furuno chart plotter and a bow thruster. The folding cockpit table is also teak. There are more Raymarine electronics mounted above the companionway for easy visibility anywhere in the cockpit. Her decks are wide and uncluttered, and she has high lifelines and substantial teak-capped tow rails, all important safety factors when underway. Up at the bow is a substantial anchor locker and electric windlass. The topsides were professionally painted. The cutter rig offers the simplicity of a single mast and affords the ability of easily reducing or increasing sail according to the wind and sea conditions. Lookfar has ProFurl furling units on both her genoa and staysail. She has a fully battened traditional mainsail which is easily handled with a Tides Marine strong track system, a stack pack, lazy jacks, and an electric winch. Down below, Lookfar has 3 full-sized cabins, 2 heads with showers, and there's a ton of storage as well as single-level flooring throughout her interior, which means no awkward steps to deal with when offshore. She also has 2 marine AC heat units and 6 overhead opening hatches for light and fresh air. Just port of the companionway steps is the well-designed galley. Spacious, with lots of counter space and excellent storage, and features a gimbal 3-burner stove and oven, huge fridge and freezer, well-placed microwave that doesn't take up counter space, and centerline sinks. It would be hard to imagine a better designed galley that offers so much space for the cook to work and at the same time provide bracing points while in a seaway. Across from the galley is the aft head, conveniently located close to the cockpit and the 2 aft cabins. It features an electric flush, freshwater commode, shower, and vanity. The forward-facing nav station is excellent and an easy reach of the cockpit with room for all necessary electronics. The desk is large with deep storage under the lid and has a comfortable seat. The salon is spacious with plenty of room for crew and guests. A long settee is to port and doubles as an excellent sea berth. A large U-shaped settee is to starboard with an expandable table in the center. Along with a storage behind and below both settees, just aft of the master suite is a large hanging locker to port and an additional tall locker with shelving to starboard. For an additional touch of class, Tayana's signature emblem and name is engraved in the door leading from the salon to the master suite. The master suite is forward with a large berth, a hanging locker, chest of drawers, and storage cabinets with louvered doors both port and starboard. All the way forward, there is an access to the anchor locker. The private master head features an electric commode, a separate shower, and a vanity. You can flush the commode with either fresh or salt water and choose to flush into the holding tank or directly overboard. This setup is ideal for both remote cruising and in harbors or marinas. The shower has a seat and a separate sump box and pump. There are 2 private guest cabins aft, both with hanging lockers, drawers, shelving, and room for changing clothes. The custom mattresses are hinged for easy access to storage and systems under the berths. She is powered by an 85 horsepower Perkins diesel, which can be easily accessed from under the companionway steps. This Tayana 52 is a solid, comfortable passage maker, and she is ready for her next blue water adventure. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. For more listings, visit our website.